to Wangashu YouTube channel and TikTok, where we say you are a conqueror no matter what. And if you have not subscribed, please remember to do so. Today we are saying we make happiness our choice. I was reading this article about the birds of the air. These animals are always chirping away with melodies of happiness from the minute they rise very early in the morning, not knowing whether they'll get anything to eat that day or they'll meet with a predator. They do not allow that to steal away their joy. It does not matter to them what season it is in the year, be it winter, rainy or hot season. They are always happy with a purpose. They choose to be happy. The more I read about these birds, the more I thought about us human beings. Do we choose to be happy with a purpose, or do we allow circumstances that we come across to steal our joy, or do we even put happiness on hold and never to come back? Just like the way the birds of the air, they face harsh conditions during different seasons, so do we as human beings. There will be times or seasons when we face challenges, tough times, betrayals, delays, and many other things that will make us feel sour. But the beauty is we are created with a very powerful will, the will of choice. Let us make happiness our choice. Do not allow those predators to feast on your happiness. Choose to be happy with a purpose, just like those birds of the air. Make a very strong affirmation of happiness despite what season you are in today. Be happy, make a difference, and conquer.